Hello, how are you all? Welcome to our virtual class after so long days, isn't it? So many days after our virtual exam. Welcome back to our virtual class. Today we are in chapter 5, okay? New chapter. And the name of chapter is Powers of Number. Okay? Powers of Number. Now let's learn what is power of number. Okay, here let me write short definition here. Okay, short definition. What is power of number actually? Okay, a number written a little a number written a little raised next to, okay, raised next to a number is the power of the number, is the power of the number. Okay, so a number written a little raised next to a number is the power of the number. So I will show you, okay, here for example, here 5 2. Okay, here this is the power of the number. Okay, a number written a little raised next to, you can see it is raised here, isn't it? A number is the power of the number. Here 2 is the power of 5. Okay, 2 is the power of 5. So let us go to another. Okay, here we call index or exponential. Okay, we call index or exponent here. Suppose if I write a number like any number like 7 power 5, then we call this 5 is the power, isn't it? It is also called index or exponent. Okay, we call it index or exponent here. Understood what we call it? It is also called the index or the exponent. Understood? Now we have to understand that, we have to know that always the power is written in smaller size. Okay, like if you write any number like 10 power 2, we do not write index or exponent in big number, like not this. Okay, we always write the power, we always write the exponent in small size. Okay, small size here. Understood everyone? Okay, here we should know that the power shows the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Okay, what does this power 2 shows here? What does this power 2 shows here? This means the power shows the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Here the power is 2, so the 10 is multiplied 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. Understood? So let us write some more example here. Like any For example, 5 power 4, 6 power 3, 7 power 6. Okay, here you can see 5 power 4. 4 is the index or exponent here. This means in first 5 is multiplied 4 times. Understood? 5 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. Okay. Now in next 6 power 3. This means 6 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. Good. How many times? 3 times. So in third 7 power 6. In third 7 power 6. This means 7 is multiplied how many times? 6 times. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 7 is multiplied how many times? 6 times. Okay. If I write in another way, okay, can you write the power in power form? Okay, let's check here. Okay. Yes. If I write, for example, okay, if I write change, okay, let's write change in exponential form. Okay, like if I write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What is the exponential form here? Can you? Okay, now here you can see what is the base here. 3 is the base, isn't it? So how many times it is multiplied here? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, 6 time. Means 6 is the power. Means 6 is the power. Okay, 6 is the exponent, or you can say 6 is the index here. Okay, 3 power 6. So let's take another example like 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 here. Can you change in exponential form now? Yes, it is very easy, isn't it? Which is the base here? 9. Which number is repeated? 9 is repeated, so base is 9 here. Okay, how many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times. So 4 is the exponent. Okay, 9 is the base. 9 is base. 4 is power, or we say 4 is exponent. Okay, 4 is exponent here. So here let me revise you. Today we are in new chapter, that is powers of number. And what is powers of number actually? A number written a little raised next to a number is the power of number. And for example, like 7 power 5. Okay, here 5 is the index or exponent. If 10 power 2 is given, that means 10 is multiplied how many times? 2 times, isn't it? And next here we have done 3 examples like 5 power 4 and 6 power 3 and 7 power 6. This means 5 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. 4 is the power here. 4 is exponent. Okay, here I have shown some examples, and here we have learned to change in exponential form, like 3 is multiplied 6 times, so we can write in exponential form. Which is the base here? 3 is the base. And how many times it is multiplied? 6 times. So 6 is the power here. Okay, and here you can see in next 9 is multiplied 4 times, isn't it? That means 9 is the base and 4 is the power, or you can say 4 is the exponent, isn't it? So only this much for today. Bye bye all of you.